for an old gaff, that. Rodden House. Lovely, isn't it? Somebody got some money. Thank you. Beautiful, isn't it? God, look at that. Oh. Now, you know, I was saying these roads are shitty. Come on then, neighbour. You're gonna fucking splash me now, ain't you? See, I did say it was shitty, didn't I? Oh, what'd you come this way for, you twat? No! 12th to the 18th. What's it now? We're going past that. Thank God for that. Oh, not another one! Look at that, 7:15 at night and the poor bastards are still working. Oh, this loose bloody gravel shit, that. Oh my God, why didn't you ignore that sat nav?